Good morning. I am going to be setting up our ponds for investigation 1.2, constructing your pond. So today I will show you all the different things we have. So we have our pond here with our washed gravel in it. We have Alga Grow, which is a concentrate solution that helps algae grow in our ponds. We have some hay. We have some seeds that we'll put in there for some stuff to grow. We have some soil, and then we have our water. So the first step is to pour the gravel in the containers and spread evenly, but we had to pre-wash this, so we did that off camera. Then we'll spread this hay, the soil, and 1 teaspoon of the wheat seeds. So I'll do the hay first. And they want it evenly spread over the bottom of our pond. So I've evenly spread it over the bottom of the pond. And I'll repeat with the soil. Thanks, Ms. Nolan. And 1 teaspoon, so this is a teaspoon measurement. So we evenly spread over our hay, our soil, and then our seeds. Then the next step is to place our half of our petri dish at the bottom of our aquarium. So this we're going to literally put at the bottom of the aquarium. Then we're going to fill the aquarium halfway with spring water. So the reason we put the petri dish at the bottom is so that the stream of water lands on the petri dish so that it doesn't disrupt our hay and our soil and our seeds. If we did it that way, it would, if we didn't put the petri dish, it would make kind of like a little crater inside of our gravel. Yeah, that's good. Science. Hashtag science.
As you might notice, everything is floating to the top, so the petri dish did wonders.
It doesn't create a hole in the gravel, though, and that's, I think, what our main goal is. Yeah, because the petri dish eventually starts floating too, so.
A lot of this stuff is going to start to sink once it's been in there for a little while.
Yeah, once it settles.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah, you can see now that we've got some of the gravel's obviously still there. Some of the hay is trapped underneath the petri dish, but we're going to take that out here in a little bit. And then you can see some of it is floating at the top. But again, the gravel is nice and flat. Oh, there it goes.
There we go. Once the pressure of the water goes away, it just pops back up. So there we go.
All right, so you can see some of it is already like falling down now.
Yeah, it'll fall more. All of this soil will fall down more. The hay sometimes falls down, and the seeds will eventually kind of fall a little bit. Okay, cool. Our next step is to remove the petri dish, which I just did, and then we're going to add our Alga Grow concentrate. So we will kind of pour this in. Okay. That will help algae grow, which will kind of just help our pond simulate a more natural pond setup. And then we are going to place our pond under the light bank. This will help the seeds be able to germinate and then grow. So the seeds need light and need photosynthesis in order to grow, so they can germinate first, and then once they are kind of into little seed sprouts, they'll need sunlight to help them continue.